Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini Live on your Samsung device. So think of Gemini Live as your AI-powered personal assistant. You can ask anything from planning meals, writing messages, or solving problems, and it'll respond with smart suggestions, answers, or step-by-step instructions in real time. So let me show you how to use Gemini Live. So first, you're gonna go ahead and open up the Gemini app, search for Gemini. Or you can go ahead and long press on your standby button here on the right hand side on your Samsung device, and that will open up Gemini. Now once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on this live button here, which looks like that. This will take you to Gemini Live. So just give it a few minutes while it configures itself. Now once it has configured itself, go ahead and switch on the camera view. This will now show you the view of your back camera. So here now we'll go ahead and ask a question to it. So here in the background, I have a device which is not working. There is no battery inside, and I'm going to ask Gemini Live to tell me why this device is not working. So let's go ahead and use Gemini Live. We'll go ahead and go into Live. We'll open up the camera view, and now we'll ask the question. Gemini, why is this not working?
It looks like the battery cover is off of your Godox flash trigger. You'll need to put that back on before it will work. Do you want me to walk you through how to do that?
Yes, please.
Okay, first make sure the batteries are inserted correctly. Then, align the battery cover with the back of the flash trigger, making sure the small tabs on the cover are lined up with the slots on the device.
Is there a battery in this?
It looks like there are 2 batteries inside. Should there be more?
Should I add batteries to this?
Yes, it looks like it takes 2 AA batteries, and there are 2 batteries inside. You might want to check the battery orientation to make sure they're properly aligned. If they are, the next step would be to reattach the battery cover.
Why is this still not working?
It looks like the battery cover is still off. Once you put that back on, it should work. Do you need help with that?
The battery cover is on. Why is this not working?
Okay, I see the cover's on. Let's try flipping that power switch on the side from off to on. Give that a try and let me know what happens.
Still nothing?
Okay, I see the screen still dark. Just to be sure, could you double check that the batteries are new and inserted correctly? If they are, there might be something else going on.
There is no battery inside.
Ah, I see. There are no batteries inside. You'll need 2 AA batteries for this flash trigger. Do you have any on hand?
No.
Okay, you'll need to grab a pair of AA batteries. Once you've got them, just pop them in, making sure the plus and minus ends are facing the right way. And that should get things up and running.
Okay, thank you for your help. So there you go guys, that is how to use Gemini Live on your Samsung device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.